Good evening, traders. August the 3rd, 2022. How you been doing? Magnificent day that we had today in the VIP room with this uptrend that we had today, running up all day on the S&Ps and mostly all the underlines. We killed it with Moderna and UPST today. Some of the plays that I posted in the watch list in the morning, and some of the ideas that also were posted in the yesterday videos also work very nicely. So let's go, and I want to take some time and explain you give you a little bit of a lesson of what you can do on freight breakouts, right? We have had a situation today with ABBV, one of the underlines that I called yesterday. We had the trigger here for this inside candle. The idea was taking this side candle, and this was our target, 146.27. So we did have the trigger of the alert in this, but the next candle never closed above the previous day high near the third one, right? So what you have to do is wait for confirmation for a candle to be close above it, and then a break from that one in order to take the breakout. If you don't see that, and you see that you get this type of rejections like this tree, what you can do is take the fake out. So once it fakes here, rejects, and the next candle also rejects, take it short in the previous low all the way down to the middle of the range. And what I mean about the range, this is the range from the previous day high and low. So you take it to the half of it. Here's 50%, but this wouldn't work very nicely here, right? And obviously your stop is above the previous high on the breakout. So I have seen this pattern happening a lot. So I suggest you to include it in your arsenal, that you don't have also to wait for the breakout and always, once it triggers, go and get long immediately, right? Watch the reaction of the next candle. If you have continuation, if you have the rejection, if you don't have it and you have the rejection, take the short or take the opposite trade and play the breakout. Okay, some ideas for tomorrow. I have a Marriott has been having a very couple good weeks. Sorry about the delay in TOS, but even at night it's kind of slow. We have an inside candle here on Marriott. We might have a small retracement to the 13 EMA because it's already kind of extended, as you can see it. So I will look for a 158.60 break, looking for 155.63. If for some reason we break out, we just have to wait to break this uptrend here on the daily. If that happens, we have very nice range there to 167.47. But because of this move that has been having for the past 2 weeks, I think that it's gonna consolidate a little bit and not reject, but retrace toward the 50 or the 13 EMA. So probably that 158.60 break to the downside will give you a nice short opportunity. Next one is TSM, Taiwan Semiconductors. This one on the other side, it's been very strong in the past 3 days, increasing volume. You see here the increasing volume candle. So we're gonna look for a break of 86.80 to break this inside candle as well, looking for 87.54 and 88.66 level. We also did good support here on the uptrend, so this looks ready to go and break out to the next levels. So TSM is a nice opportunity. ANET or Arista Networks, also very strong stock. looking for that a break. We have plenty of range, so what I'm looking here is a break of 122.43 to look for. Probably we can get to 126.91 and 130.90, so watch for it. It might be a little bit extended tomorrow, so another way to play it is to wait to the retracement toward the 118 area, and here at the 118 you take it long, one of the other. So check it out tomorrow, because you have the two options there. And the last one, SPWR, Sun Power, as well. Very interesting move that it has had. We have this downtrend about to be broken here, so we have the inside candle looking for continuation on this uptrend. 22.37, looking for 22.92 first target, and if it breaks that one, we have another in between here for 24.20 and 25.21. So this one looks very interesting here. We also might have a retracement. Another thing is that you can wait here and set an alert on the 4 EMA. Once it hits the 4 EMA there on the daily around 21.20, I wouldn't play the breakdown. Probably I will look for this retracement to take it back up, right? So, but it's also an inside candle, so we can break and come down to retest this previous resistance that now might react to a support. So you just have to be careful and play as I explained to you with ABBC. Once it's triggered, what are you gonna do with the next candles to see if we're gonna continue it or we're gonna retrace back. So, but either way, you have good range here because of the strong volume that we have had on previous day. I'm inclined a little bit more to have a breakout, but we just have to see it that way. And that's what I have for tomorrow, guys. Hopefully you can take advantage of this place, and if you like the videos, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, as well as all the information of our VIP room where we stream live and trade the whole session every day. And I wish you that you have a great night, and see you tomorrow. Adios.